अस्सलाम वालेकुम, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खैर ऑफिस से होंगे। मैं आप सबको अपने चैनल वैल्यूएबल एडिशंस बाय कासिम में वेलकम करता हूँ। मैं आपका होस्ट कासिम वहीद एक ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो और आइडिया के साथ आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ। आज मैं मौजूद हूँ गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज एंड यूनिवर्सिटी लाहौर। आई एम रियली ऑब्लाइज्ड to the institution for their cooperation. They scrutinized me and considered me well enough that I could meet up their requirements. मैं बाहर खड़ा हूँ डॉक्टर असगर ज़ैदी जो वाइस चांसलर हैं GCU लाहौर के, उनके घर के बाहर, जो कि उनको यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से अलॉट किया गया है। और उनके रूम की कुछ वॉल्स को मैंने रेनोवेट किया है। आए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ अपनी एक्सपर्टीज़ और काम जो मैंने उनके घर में किया।
जी, तो ये फ़र्स्ट वॉल है जिस पर यूनिवर्सिटी की एम्बियंस को सामने रखते हुए सिंपल डिज़ाइन सिलेक्ट किया गया था। यहाँ पर एक बहुत खूबसूरत वॉल क्लाडिंग का डिज़ाइन सिलेक्ट किया गया था, जिसके डिज़ाइन के मुताबिक पहले MDF और ब्रास की प्लेसमेंट की गई थी ऑन द वॉल। ब्रास की प्लेसमेंट के बाद यहाँ स्टिकर्स को अनकवर किया जा रहा है। After that, the cushions to be placed on the wall are finished with foam and the cloth selected. Cloth placement should neither be too tight nor be too loosened, demolishing the looks. After successful placement of cloth on the cushions are tufted with nails on the base. One should be careful enough while placement of cushions because disregardfulness can tear down the looks. These are the final looks from the wall. Do comment below if you like the transformation. Proceeding towards the dining area, WPC lures were placed on the dining wall. The placement was vertical and simple considering the ambience, but these are also placed in beautiful designs, a complete video of which will also be posted in the upcoming days. I will attach a picture as well for better understanding. Do watch that video. There is a lot more for you guys. This is the entrance wall where WPC lures were placed in combination, giving it an extra beautiful touch. After completion of the dining area, now this is the media wall. Stickers on the brass are necessary because they protect it from any sort of dust and scratches. Now here we were halfway around. Cushions are being tufted on the base. The placement of the cushion is not as simple as it might look because the gap in between should be exactly same. Secondly, the edges of the brass should also not be visible from the front because it can tear down the beauty of the wall. Nails are fixed with an imported machine which was not possible previously. This is the fourth and the final wall completed in the same way. Cushions were placed afterwards. A scenery with beautiful artwork was hanged later on. So that was all from this project. At last, I'm really thankful to the institution for considering me and having my services. It was an honor working for such a great institution and such a great man, Dr. Asghar Zaidi.
If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. This will be a source of motivation for me in bringing some innovative ideas, above all sharing my personal experiences as well. That was all for today. This is Qasim Waheed signing off. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.